When I did this video about my washing machine for my late father who passed away in 2007, I was not expecting to be such a large amount of people interested in it. So I thought I'd do a follow-up video. I'll actually switch it on and use it. I put some Dettol in here. Now the reason for that is if you put a capful of Dettol in your conditioner drawer, it prevents your clothes from smelling, right? It gets rid of bacteria that's in the tub. So I'm just going to tell you what I usually do. There is actually some Dettol in there already. I've already done that, but I haven't put my conditioner in yet. So I'm going to put some conditioner in. I'm not going to use a lot because there's not a lot in there. I'm going to put that in there. Right. So I'll put some conditioner in with a Dettol. I haven't got a lot of washing powder in there. There's a bit in there, as you can see. So I'll show you. Basically, this machine is fully functional. I mean, now the amount of, there is no play on the drum whatsoever. I don't know if you can see this, but move the camera a bit nearer. There is no wear on the drum. Now, one of the things I always try to do is to avoid overfilling the machine. And when you overfill a machine, you have the increased chance of the tub. If you get too much water, it can get into the bearings and destroy the bearings, basically. So I never overfill my machine. Just some basic things on how to preserve your washing machine. Now, obviously the new machines that you're buying up from China, rubbish. I mean, yeah, crap. Now, let's see. I think I'm gonna do see. I was thinking about doing a quick wash, but I'm gonna do a standard wash. I use non-fast. I usually use it on 40. So I'll stick to 40. I don't know if you can see it because the light's so bright in here. But I'm just gonna start. Filling up. I need to put that shut, otherwise it won't take the powder down. Right, so I'll try to film this bit. I'm quite surprised that there are so many people interested in my machine, like, you know, so I thought, well, I'll do a part 2. Because you didn't actually see it working last time. I didn't run it, because it was in the middle of the night. It's got all my powder. I didn't put a lot in. I haven't got a lot of clothes in there, to be honest with you. At some point, I'll have to check the tray at the bottom. There's a. Here we go. It's going. There's actually a tray at the bottom where you can pull this off, and occasionally you can unscrew a thing. It's just in case you have money in your pockets and it ends up in the sump, the base of the machine. But I never have anything in the machine that shouldn't be there, so I haven't bothered checking. I've dribbled water down here now because I overfilled that conditioner tray now, and I'm in a mess. Let's see. It's all over the floor. It's alright though, it's antiseptic, so. Oops. Hooked up somewhere. There you go. It's washing. Working fine, no problem. I'm not going to leave I'm not going to film the whole process. It's going to take an hour or two. Well, an hour at least. But you can see it works fine. So, take it off here. I'm getting a lot of reflections. I stand behind it, maybe. I'm getting reflections. Thanks for watching. My fucking asthma's back. I wish I was as fit as this machine. I wish my health was as good as this machine. Just, when you get old. Bye for now.